Hi, today is Friday, the 19th of July, 2019. This is Dr. Wes Fryer, and this is my final reflection of the 2019 Summer Institute in Digital Literacy. The question which we are to answer today is, what have we learned about ourselves as a digital literacy learner, and what are we going to be taking back to our school? In terms of taking back to our school, I'm really excited about the project that I co-created with Dr. Ryan McCarty, and we created a lesson called Unpacking and Understanding Media Controversy. And one of the things I've been aware of and wanted to address is how hard it is often to talk about controversial issues in class and then help students navigate this digital world filled with bias and even disinformation. Certainly, lots of people with lots of purposes. I'm definitely going, I think, in my fifth grade classes to really focus on advertising and marketing and the way that media messages are crafted to try and persuade us and to change our behavior. I really love the propaganda lessons that I learned about from Dr. Renee Hobbs, and I'm going to I don't know. I might actually do the controversial topics lesson with both fifth and sixth grade, but then take an advertising track more with fifth, and then get into some propaganda lessons with the sixth graders. In terms of myself as a learner, I got to say it's really nice actually to not be the technical support person at an event like this. It was a little challenging at times. I mean, definitely lots of needs here for people learning new things and needing support, and helping some people. But I learned that I can, there's so much value in being able to have quiet and focused time and not to be interrupted. I kind of knew that before, but anyway, that was something that was good, really wonderful to collaborate, and definitely just great to be with a group of other educators very passionate about similar topics, and then sharing resources, ideas. I learned about a ton of podcasts, some of which I've already listened to this week, and others I've added to my phone, to my podcatcher. And I'm going to be looking forward to continuing to learn. So a great week, and I highly recommend this institute. It'll go to Chicago in July, so the third week of July 2020, the Summer Institute in Digital Literacy coming to the Midwest. So I'm hoping to be able to go back and encourage everybody who's listening to consider coming and also sharing this opportunity, because it really is a good learning community, and the size of this conference, but the way that it's structured in terms of new information, but time to reflect, and then the whole design studio, which is what we've been in creating our lessons. It's really good.